Today I'll be making plantain pudding, and these are the ingredients I need for this recipe. I need pepper, I need onion, I need Titus smoked fish. It's totally optional. I need a crayfish, and this is a overripe plantain, like overripe plantain. Also need a plantain flour, unripe plantain flour, and the leaf to wrap it. So now let's get started by blending our plantain and the pepper, crayfish and onion. So we're going with the pepper. I want to blend the pepper, crayfish and onion first. Then I'll add little water for easy blend. Then I'll cover to blend it. So I'm done blending the plantain. Place it into a pot. Mix everything together. So I have to rest the blender for those excess that remain inside. I'm going to add 2 cups of plantain flour. And I'll mix to combine. I continue to mix very well to combine. So now I'm going to add my pepper mix. Then I add salt. Add a Titus smoked fish, palm oil. I'm just going to mix everything to combine. You have to mix very well to combine. I'm going to add extra oil since like the one I put before is not enough. Like this is too hard, so I'm going to add hot water to give me very nice texture. As you can see, it is well mixed and it is combined. So I'm going to wrap it now immediately. So now watch how to achieve this. This sleeve is washed. It's washed and it is so clean. So this the big one under, the small one on top. So you're just going to come like this, fold it, then take this one, fold it to the back, then you come like this, push this one, you hold it like this. So now you're going to put the batter inside. Put 2 teaspoons. Then you take that inner one like this, take it like this, then use it to cover it. Use it to cover it. Then once you cover it, so you come like this, see, just like this, then like this, push this one in, then like this. Nothing can make this too loose. You roll. You roll. You roll. Then you take it in. So we need stick. We use a ugu stick. I put water. There is no how this will pour. You know the idea because it is well wrapped. It is well wrapped. After placing them in the pot, then I cover with this leaf. It helps it to steam very fast. Now our plantain pudding is ready. So come with me. Let's have a taste. Bring your fork or you can as well bring your spoon. It's so yummy and delicious. I hope you'll be trying this recipe at home. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.